Welcome to math. Today we're going to have some fun. We're going to practice drawing some 2D shapes. So now we're going to start with this truck. Now what shapes do we see here? I see a big rectangle here. There's a smaller rectangle here. What else do we see? What shape does that look like? That's right, that's a square. And there's a square there. Any other shapes? Yeah, I see a circle here and then another circle right inside of it. And the same with the front tire. So this drawing of this truck is really just made up of shapes. So now I would invite you to go ahead and get your pencil or crayon marker and a piece of paper, and we're going to practice drawing this truck. And you can pause this video if you need a couple minutes to grab that. Alright, so I have my drawing right here, my paper to draw right here, and I'm going to go back and forth from mine, and you can again pause the video when you need to, as you need to draw. And first let's draw the back part of the truck, this part right here. So that is a big rectangle, so I'm going to go to my paper and go ahead and draw a big rectangle. If it's not completely straight, that's okay. Mine is not totally straight either. There we go. There is the rectangle. Now let's go back and let's draw the cab of the truck where the driver sits in. That's going to be a kind of an upright rectangle. Alright, and then the front part, kind of the engine area of the truck. Okay, and there was that other square which makes up the window, this one right here. Alright, so now what else do we need? Let's not forget the tires. Those are the circles. One right here. And another, let's see where that was at. Right underneath the engine area. Right about here. And again, if your circles aren't perfect, neither are mine, so it's okay. Here is the inside circle, kind of the hubcap of the tire in each one. And there we go. All right, very good. We have our truck. Now let's go ahead and do another one. Now here is a cat. So what do we see here? What shapes do we see here? I see a half circle right here for the body. What else? Triangles, right? A lot of triangles. There's one. There's a lot here to make up the stripes of the cat. And then a couple triangles for the ears and one for the nose. And what else do we see? There's some lines for the whiskers. A couple circles for the eyes. Of course, a big circle for the head. And a couple two rectangles to represent the legs. So let's go ahead and draw that. You can get another piece of paper. And I'm going to move that over. And I'm going to go ahead and first draw the body. Okay, kind of a half circle. Looks kind of like a lemon. And then the tail. Okay, oops. That went away. Put that back. Alright, and then we saw some triangles for the stripes. I put a big one in the middle, then some smaller ones to either side. One on the left, the big one in the middle, or a couple there, and a couple, two of them on the right. Alright, what else? The head. Let's make a big circle for the head. And then the ears, two triangles for the ears, one for the nose. These are kind of upside down triangles. And one triangle just like that for the nose. And then a couple small circles for the eyes. Kind of small there. And then 2 lines on either side for the whiskers. Alright, and then let's not forget the legs. 2 rectangles for the legs. Alright, and there's our cat. Let's do one more. Here we have a turtle. What shapes do we see here? First of all, big circle for the body. And really it's kind of the shell. We know that turtles carry their house with them and they have that shell. And inside we have some different shapes here. Hexagon and some other ones here, maybe some half hexagons. Here is a circle for the head, a couple circles for the eyes, and then what are these for? These are half circles for the legs. Let's go ahead and do that. Pause the video if you need to grab another piece of paper. And we're going to start with the body. Okay. I did it a little bit smaller, but you can do it bigger than that. Back to the turtle, hexagon in the middle. Just like that. And then just like that. Now, if you didn't want to do a hexagon like I did, you could always do, and these lines are going straight out from those corners. How many corners are on the hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm just putting, just like they did, some lines straight out from the corners. You could always do circles. You can make this kind of polka dots to represent the spots on a turtle shell, or just like this, whichever you like. But let's definitely use shapes. And now the head. And a couple circles for the eyes. And one last body part, actually 4 of them, for the legs. Well, those are half circles. So how do they do that? They then kind of like that, up. Let me do that. Kind of like this. And then on the bottom, going. Very good. Now you can color these pictures. We just did the line drawing of them, but you can color these pictures. And thank you for joining me today for math.